Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
We are FanClub Reacts, and today we are testing our English knowledge, which is very low right now. So we're going to try saying difficult words.
What could go wrong, right?
I'm not ready for this. So, first word.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Go.
It's anathema.
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 Anathema. Why anathema? I'm going to try the other one.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh gosh. I can't say it. Because that's a lot of na and
Yeah.
anemone. It sounds like like enemy.
Anemone.
Right?
Yeah, a little bit.
One more time, please. Oh, I can't.
Anemone. Anemone.
No, that's so wrong.
Lemon.
So you can go to the next one.
next
Oh,
one.
that's one. It's easier.
Oh,
Well,
Antarctic. Yeah, it's the first few words that we learned.
Why I have to see this one so big?
Oh, shoot.
Okay. Anti-disembellishmentarianism. And anti-destabilizmentarianism. I don't know. This is so bad. Jeez, who invented this word?
Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
What?
Wait.
Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
So fast.
Exactly. Whatever. I just
Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
I'm going to say for like the above the image. Anti-disestablishment. Forget it.
This reminds me of that cartoon.
It reminds me of Portuguese, the way you say it as well, like asterisco.
Oh. Yeah, asterisk. If it's that, asterisk.
Asterisk.
Yeah.
Brewer.
No.
No, brewery.
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 Yeah.
It's so weird.
Oh, the next one I know how to say is cavalry.
Oh.
Why do I get the easy
Comfortable.
ones?
Comfortable. That one is easy as well.
Yeah. The next one I know because I watched Bondi Rescue, Defibrillator.
Okay, never said that word before. I'm just trying to read this. Deteriorate. Deteriorate.
Yeah.
Deteriorate.
Yes.
It must be that.
I think it is.
Oh, that's. Come on. Why you give?
Oh, explicit. Why am I so
Why?
easy?
And I have like a exponential. I have problems with like 2x are very like sounds. So even when I say message, I can't say it very well. She knows it. Exponent. You see x.
Well.
Exponentiality.
Not
I'm trying
bad.
to read that stuff like apart.
Yeah.
I hope it's that.
I think
don't
it
know.
is.
English people, I don't know if you can. Really?
February.
Go. I spend so much time like trying to say this word because it's my birthday. It's in February, so in the beginning it was so hard for me, so I end up learning. Are you joking me? Are you fucking joking me?
You always get the difficult one.
Blah 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 blah. Flossie now sini he lippy, like forget it. Flossie now sini Hili, pili. Who say these words? Next one.
Yes, this is okay. Ignominious.
It's no, that's your word. That's Jesus Christ.
Oh.
Isthmus. I know that's a S. Why my words have so like those sounds? Why? Isthmus. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
Why are like people say they're complicated? They are not. Library. Sometimes I wonder what people teach.
No, no, I never knew what to say this. Never. Like I know this word, but I can't say. I just say masses. So I never word like. So it's so hard. Masses. I can't even say it because of the like S sounds. Like I can't. Masses. Massachusetts. That must be like that, obviously. There's no way that's another, like, you know.
Yeah.
What? I fucking hate you.
I'm so lucky. Often. Why are mine supposed to be difficult, but they aren't? Oh god.
This is...
This is...
I can't even say this in Portuguese. We have something like that again.
It's the exact same way to write onomatopoeia.
That's in Portuguese, yes.
In English side.
Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia.
Oh, okay. I think you're right.
Pia.
Pia.
Onomatopoeia. Oh, I hope you're having fun, babes. So now...
Oh. Ornitorringologista.
That's in Portuguese, so that must be fun.
Otorrinolaryngologistical.
This is the same way you say Portuguese with an accent. Oh, that's so Portuguese with accent. Or we not. Like a brigadeiro. Like a brigadeiro.
No, I don't know. Otorrinolaryngol.
That's shitting.
Oh god.
Phenomenon.
Phenomenon.
I just say phenomenal. Phenomenal. So phenomenon. That's weird. Phenomenon. So you must. It's fine.
Fine.
You want to keep going?
We can stop if
you want. You want. Because I'm just curious about the next word. Oh, that's ooh.
Okay. Rural.
In Portuguese, is rural.
So much easier.
Rural. Obviously. And we are about to end this here.
Yeah.
Because the next word is so hard for me to say. If you like this video,
give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the blog if you want. And also suggest maybe a couple of videos of English / American people trying to speak Portuguese.
Like I want to remind that we are Portuguese, so that's why this is so hard for us to say it, even though some words are not hard.
Yeah.
Because we are like, when we learn English, that basic words that we saw here, like that ones that mostly you said, we give in school like in a whole focus, like library and often, because they're like basic, like words that mean so much that we have to know them.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That is all.
That is all.
Wash your hands.
If you want part 2, comment down below.
And a link of difficult words.
So yeah.
Wash your hands.
Bye.
Bye.